Hello everyone, now I'm with Wurkkos new flashlight. It is a diving flashlight, Wurkkos DL02 here. This one is very interesting because it comes with SFT70 LED here. Okay, this is the information on the box here. SFT70 6000 to 6500K. Smooth reflector. It gives out really good beam. Actually, it is quite similar to Sofern SD06 but different switch. Okay, the battery inside 21700 battery, 5000 milliamp. Okay, and this is the side switch. Okay, you can rotate to the left and right. If you rotate to the right side, it will turn on here the high mode. Okay, and if you rotate here, okay, turn off. Rotate to the left side, it will turn on medium, and then the low mode. Okay, actually low mode is enough for walking around. Okay, this is very good. Good things about this, it has indicator light. Okay, and very easy to use. If compared to Sofern, this one SD06, the same size, the same LED, the same reflector. Okay, and the beam is exactly the same, just different in terms of switch. For SD06, when you want to turn it on, here you have to make one click, it will turn on the last memorized brightness. Another click will cycle through the brightness mode. Okay, press and hold to turn off, and also a lock switch here like this, so that you cannot turn it on. Okay, but this one but for Wurkkos you just rotate. Okay, left, right, that's it. Okay. Okay, let's have a look at the lumens data. Okay, here very easy to use. Low 300 lumens, about 12 hours. For the max throw, about low 157 meters. Medium 1000 lumens. Okay, it also stepped down to 300 lumens. 1000 lumen here, it lasts about 1.8 hour. Okay, and then step down to 300 lumens, about 2.6 hour. High 3000 lumens, it lasts about 1 minute, and then it stepped down to about 1800 lumens, and that lasts about 6 minutes, and then it go down again to 1000 lumens, and that lasts about 2.5 hours. Okay, for the max throw, 496 meter. Okay, 1 meter drop resistant IP68. It can be used under the water, about 100 meters. Okay, this is about the lumens data. Okay. Okay, let's walk around and see some beam shots. Okay, everyone, Wurkkos DL02. Okay, this one SFT40, about 3000 lumens max. This is the low mode. I can say that the low mode is, wow, very good. I can see things about 50 to 100 meters away, quite clear. Okay, it is a diving flashlight, but if you want to use it on land, I think it's very good. Okay, it has rotary switch. Okay, and also indicator light here. Okay, and here is the house. See that the house is about 25 meters away from me. The tint in low mode is a bit green. Okay, but not too ugly. Okay, this is very good. Okay, no artifacts in the beam. SFT70, smooth reflector. Okay, but the beam is really good. Okay, let's go to medium. Here, okay, here is medium. Wow, medium is really good. Okay, turbo will step down to about this level. Okay, turbo lasts about 1 minute, and then it will step down to about this level. This level also step down to about 300 lumens. But not fast. Okay, it takes some time. This is medium. I can say that medium, you can use medium for walking around the forest or for searching, something like that. This would be very good. Okay, really good throw. I think the beam can reach more than 200 meters. Okay, really good beam. I can see things around me quite clear. Okay. Wow. Very good. This is about medium. Okay. And then let's go to turbo here. Okay, turbo here, very bright. Okay, this is turbo mode. Oh, sorry, high mode. Okay, in the manual it say high mode. Okay, and that's the house. You see that? Wow, it's really bright. Okay, I really love the beam of this one. Actually, this one and Fern SD06 is the same. Okay, it's the same. No different because the head side is the same LED and the same reflector, but the difference is just the switch. Okay, but I like DL02 more because I like Rotary switch like this, and indicator light is good. Okay, you can see your flashlight in the water quite well. Very good beam. Okay, very powerful. I hope Wurkkos will make tactical flashlight using this LED soon. Okay, I really love SFT70, and I like this kind of beam. Okay, I think it would be very good for self-defense. Okay, for the turbo, according to the manual, it lasts I think it lasts about 1 minute, and then it steps down to about medium. Okay, something like that. Overall, okay, overall for this diving flashlight, if you use it on land, I think it's good. Okay, really powerful and really good for searching. Okay, good beam, good throw. Okay, here I think it stepped down already. Okay, I can feel the heat. Okay, wow, I can see things quite far. Okay, it's good for searching. Okay, patrolling, something like that. Okay, now everything around me is wet. The rain just stopped. Okay, not bad at all for this one. Okay, really good beam. 3000 lumens. Now I think it stepped down already. Okay, to about medium. Okay, let me try again. Here I will turn off and then turn on again. Okay, this is the basketball goal. Okay, turn off and then turn on again. You see that? Wow, very powerful. Okay, really good beam. If you use under the water, I think no heat problem at all. Okay, but on land, it will step down. Okay, I hope you will enjoy my review. Thanks for watching.